Hey, and welcome to Tax Talk with the Tax Queen. My name is Heather Ryan. I am also known as the Tax Queen.
Hey, in this video, I'm going to cover how to reconcile your books at the end of the month in QuickBooks Online. So right now, I am looking at a simple company in QuickBooks Online. I am in the banking tab, right? And I'm looking, so here's my bank accounts and my credit card. So this is similar to what yours should look like. And I want to make sure, first of all, before the end of the month, or rather to close out the month, we are going to match all the transactions. This should be clear for anything that we're going to do for that month, right? So if we're going to look at January, we want to make sure that all of these items are in my account. A lot of people think that by adding them here that you are reconciling, and that is not the case. So we're going to go ahead and make sure that these are all matched and these are all going to show up. We can leave anything after January alone if we want to, because we're going to really just focus on January of 2023. So there's a couple of ways to reconcile. You can, if you're in your banking tab already, you can go to your bank register. At the top, there's this green button, and you can just hit reconcile. So you want to make sure you're on the right account, whatever that happens to be that you're working on. And then you're going to put the ending balance. So the ending balance is going to come directly from the bank statement. So before you can reconcile, you must download your bank statement. So if at the end of the month we're going to have, let's just say $6,000, that's what my bank statement shows, and we said we were working on January of 23, then we hit start reconciling. So at this point, it's automatically checking off things that have been matched in the bank feed that we were looking at earlier, but you might have a few other things, and you just want to make sure all of these show up, and you usually can match the dates, but this should be honestly very, very simple. If everything is added from your bank feed, then this will almost always just immediately say green and be clear. And this is what it's going to look like. So you're going to say $0 difference and you can finish now. Obviously, you want this to match exactly, so there are a couple of ways to do that. You can look at your total payments, and that should equal the same on your bank account or credit card, and the same thing with deposits. They should all match. So once you've done that, you just hit finish now. It's that easy to reconcile, and if you've been keeping up with it in your banking tab and your transactions here, and been adding them directly that they're coming from, it shouldn't really take too long. The other way to reconcile is you're going to have to add a bookmark. So you can click edit and then just make sure that you have that checked off. So this will give you easy access on this left-hand bar to just go to reconcile. So that will take you right here. You want to just make sure you're on the right bank account. So whether it's checking, whether it's savings, you can look at your credit cards, and you would just, again, make sure you have the statements for the bank available and ready to go. That's it. It's that easy to reconcile using QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching The Tax Queen. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. See you next time.